This fresh job is for junior cloud engineer at Deloitte in their Sydney office. Deloitte is a leading global provider of audit, assurance, consulting, financial advisory, risk advisory, tax, and related services. For this particular job, you would have to be good in either one of the public cloud, whether it is AWS, Azure, GCP, or any other public cloud. Having said that, if you have exposure to AWS services and especially the networking services like VPCs, VPNs, networking, EC2, ELB, S3, and all the common core services, then you should be suited for this job. If you have exposure of VMware, virtualization, Azure DNS, Active Directory, and then some of the tooling around data centers, such as maybe NetApp systems and stuff like that, that is also very handy. And remember that this is sort of a junior cloud engineer role with um, any 3 years experience in any large diverse server environment. So if you think that this job is for you and if you are looking to transition into cloud operations and engineering, then go to Deloitte's website and apply directly from there for this job. Thank you very much.